Let me show you how to generate free YouTube thumbnail using AI. Hi AI mates, welcome to my YouTube channel AI with Suzy. With just your smartphone and in few minutes, you too can create YouTube thumbnails free.
The first thing we are going to do is we're going to come to ChatGPT, and once you come to ChatGPT, you just need to click on this icon. It will give you a new tab, or it will also bring this dashboard for you. Then I'm going to paste the prompts I already have. As usual, I'm going to be mentioning that prompts, also pasting it in the WhatsApp channel. So if you have not joined the WhatsApp channel, the link is always in the description box of this video. I think I'll also start pasting the link to the WhatsApp channel, my first pinned comment. So I said, based on trendy viral thumbnails, give me a 5 killer viral AI thumbnail image generation ideas for a video title, earn $20 daily using your phone in 2025. Then I said, include elements such as color, text, human face, expression, and other key elements. No markdown, please. That is, no unnecessary subtitles, no paragraph, and all that. Then I'm going to click on send. The first said, excited young man holding phone plus cash pop out. Human face, smiling man, 20s to 30s, white eyes, looking amazed at his phone, expression, shocked, excited, like he just won money. Colors, bright yellow. So it just gave me different prompts, different image ideas. Like another idea is phone with money bust plus big red arrow, and it listed how the human face is going to be, how the expression is going to be, the colors, the text. Then there are also that one split screen broke. So you just go through any of these and then any of these ideas and choose the one that specifically aligns to what you want. After you've gotten all this script, all this prompt, all this instruction, you want it to be in the YouTube size. I know the YouTube thumbnail size is 16:9. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT that it should make sure all the 5 prompts are in YouTube ratio, YouTube thumbnail ratio 16. That is YouTube thumbnail ratio 16:9. Then I'll send it to ChatGPT. It's going to re-edit the prompts. You see, it now added the 16:9, like for all the 5 images or 5 prompts or the 5 ideas. You can copy any of those prompts and use them on any AI image generator app or website. Yes, it is very, very simple. Now I'm just going to go down here, and you see ChatGPT is asking, would you like one of these turned into an actual AI generated thumbnail image? And I'm just going to write yes for it to generate that, and I'll click on yes, and I'll send ChatGPT. Now I'm always using the free version of ChatGPT. Then I'm going to copy that same prompt, and I'm going to take it to Google Image Effects, which is very, very free, and then I'm going to compare the differences. Let me pick number 2, and then I'm going to ask Google Image Effects to generate a thumbnail for me. So all you need to do is just to hold it down, and you see this option, and then you're going to click on the copy. And once you click on copy, be able to select. You're going to hold it down like this, and then you're going to click on select text. So once you click on select text, you go to the number you want to use. I'm using number 2. I'm just going to copy this, and I'll click on copy. Then I'm going to go to Google Image FX, just as you can see, and this is completely free. And so once you are here, you come down here and you paste the prompt to copy it from ChatGPT. So I'm going to paste that right here, and then after pasting it, you can edit it if you want, and if you're satisfied with how it is, you click on generate to generate. You click on this to generate. On this, there's an icon here, you click on it to generate and just wait for it to generate. Make sure you have a very good network connection or a stable network connection. You can see that I'm doing all this with my phone. Now I see the first image generated by Google Image FX. Look at it, easy $20, and this is catchy. All the write-ups are correct, so you always check for the write-ups, make sure that write-ups are correct. Then you can always swipe through, just swipe through and see other ones that you may want to see, use, and all that. So it usually generates 4 images for you to pick from. So I think I like this one. I think I like this particular one, this first, very first one, the very first one. So I'm just going to click on this to download it. If you don't like it, you can edit it. So I'm going to copy another prompt and paste here to see if it will give me something that has the an human face from ChatGPT. I'm going to ChatGPT and copy another prompt, and I just want to paste it on the image, Google Image FX, just as so. And I'm going to click on this icon again to generate the image, and it's going to give me 4 images. Now this particular prompt has the image of, has a prompt that includes girl holding a phone, and then it has a prompt that includes human. So I'll click on that to generate, and within seconds Google Image FX will generate the image for you in 16:9. So if you want to do like a thumbnail for, let's say, a Facebook video, you can always impute the ratio. You know, the that's of Facebook and Instagram is ratio 1:1. Same thing if you want to do for TikTok, you're going to see it in the same thumbnail aspect. So now see this particular image, it's not having any of the inscription I wanted Google Image Effects to generate for me. So let me swipe through and see another one. So you can edit the prompts if you wanted to show a particular text. So this particular thumbnail is good, this is okay, I don't want to edit anything. If you want to make this just with my phone wider, you can go ahead and make it wider. So I'll just click here again to download this particular thumbnail. You can see how simple it is to download thumbnails and how simple it is to create thumbnails using AI in less than a minute. Just have your prompt and paste it, and you're good to go. Now back to ChatGPT. This is what ChatGPT generated for me. Generated this particular image and also the second one. Let's click on it and see how it is. Now this is beautiful. It said $20 a day. Yes, this is nice. So I like this. I'm just going to hold it, click on it, and then you click on this icon that shows save. This icon here that shows save, to save the image or download it to your. This is another image generated by ChatGPT, and this is very detailed. It said earn $20 per day in 2025, and this is from the third prompt. So I'm just going to click on download to download it, and then once it's downloaded, to show image downloaded, I'm going to go back now, and I want to create consistent characters, right? I want all my prompts, my thumbnails to have consistent character because I don't want to use other people's images. So I'll click here, and then once you click here, you're going to select photos. From here you select photos, and it's going to bring it to your phone gallery, and you select an image. If you're new to my channel, please do me a big favor to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any videos I upload every week. So these are the image for AI with Suzy, this channel. So I'm just going to pick any of this. Let me pick this particular one, and then I'll select I'll click on done, and I'll come back to this ChatGPT here, and I'm going to write something. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate. Always remember that all the prompts I'm using for this video are going to be pasted in the WhatsApp channel, so you can easily copy it and use it for yourself and edit it for yourself. Give me a detailed description prompts that I can use to generate consistent character image that looks exactly like the uploaded photo above, and then ChatGPT is going to give you one. Also, if you have a prompt for your consistent character, like I've created a video on how to create consistent character prompts from ChatGPT. So if you have that consistent character prompt, you can just paste that particular prompt here instead of asking ChatGPT to generate a fresh character prompt for you. So you can always paste that here. But let's just do this from scratch. So I'm going to click here to send it to ChatGPT so that ChatGPT will generate an image prompt for you that you can also use on other image generation websites or apps. So it said 3D animated female character with deep brown skin and long, neatly styled micro braids tied at the back. She has large, expressive brown eyes, natural makeup, blah blah blah. And then ChatGPT has given me a character. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to paste one of the prompts I asked ChatGPT to generate for me here. One of those prompts. Let me go with number 4 that says girl holding a phone, since my image here is a female. So I'm first of all going to paste that prompt here. That's prompt of that girl, a young African woman with coily hair, smiling and slightly shocked. So instead of it being a young African woman, I'm going to be adding this image prompt that ChatGPT just gave me, this particular 3D animated female character. So I'm going to add that there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold this place down and I'll click on select text, and then I'm going to copy this 3D. I'll stop here and I'll click on copy. Then I'll go back, and then a young African woman with curly hair, I'm just going to come there and I'm going to paste the prompt, the image prompt. So it's now going to be reading. Don't worry, I'm going to paste the prompt in the WhatsApp channel so that you can see what I did. And it's now going to be reading 3D animated female character with deep brown skin and long, neatly styled micro braids tied back. So I infused the image prompt into the thumbnail prompt. That's exactly what I just did. I infused the image prompt into the thumbnail prompt to give me one prompt. So I'm going to send it to ChatGPT so that it creates an image for me. Now, this is next level of brilliance. See what ChatGPT generated using that image description and giving me a very consistent character. So look at it. It just gave me this image, and then it says just with my phone, and this is so nice. So you just click on the image. Once you click on the image like this, as usual, you just come here and download this image. You can fine tune it, but you download it. I'm doing this on the free version of ChatGPT. Now let me give you a trick. If you've exhausted your free credit on ChatGPT, you can always log in with another Google account, and then you can always continue from where you stop. Yes. To show you how to also generate that consistent character using Google FS, just come down here and paste the prompt, the last prompt we created, that we infused the image prompt and the thumbnail prompt together. That last prompt, that's what I'm going to paste here. So once you click on this icon here, this place here, you're just going to click on paste. After pasting it, then you are going to generate the image and allow it to generate. This is exactly what Google Image Effects gave me. You can see that the character here is not the same as the one ChatGPT gave me. Yes, the character here is not the same. If I swipe through, the character is not the same. But I can swap the faces. Yes, I can swap the faces for free. I can swap the faces of any of these characters for free. So what I will just need to do is I just need to download the one I prefer. Make sure that anyone you are downloading has the right text, words are spelled correctly. So let me download this one, and I'm going to go to a website where you can swap the face of your character, of your AI characters for free. The name of the website is called faceswapper.ai, and it is completely free. You can see the link to the website in the description box of this video or my first pinned comment. If you've watched my video to this point, please do me a very big favor to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share, and leave me a comment. And once you subscribe, leave me hi, I'm new to your channel, and I promise you to leave you a special shout out in my next video. So once you are here, you can swap any face. You can swap a face in an image or a face in a video. You can do a multiple face swap. You can do a lot of swaps here, and it's completely free. You don't need to sign up. You don't need to log in. So if I click on this place that shows our face swapper, I just click on that, and it's going to open another dashboard for me, just like so. Then you're going to select an original image. You select an original image. I'm going to pick any of the thumbnails that Google Image FX generated from me. So just click anywhere outside, anywhere in this box, and then it's going to take you to your phone gallery. Then I'm going to swipe up and pick an image that Google FX have generated for me. So I'm going to go with this one, and then it's going to detect the face. Yes, it's going to detect the face. This is the face. It's going to detect it. And that thing is, you can also come down here and choose any of these faces to swap. Yes, but like I said, I want to create consistent characters, right? So I'm now going to come here and I'll click on this empty box. Once you click on this empty box again, to take you to your phone gallery, and you pick another image. Now I'm going to pick the image or the thumbnail that ChatGPT gave us. Selected the image that ChatGPT gave us, and then in that box, empty box, you see it rotating, and it will now reflect here. Once it's reflected, you have to still click on that image so that the image will show in the detected faces, just like so. It will show here. Then I will now come down here and click on swap, just as so, and you just wait for a few seconds and it will swap the face for you. Clean. In fact, this is awesome. You do not need any big device. Don't need a laptop or a desktop to do this. I'm doing all this on my device, on my phone. Now look at this. Look at this image generated without the glasses. So if you want to have consistent character, this is one way you can do that. Then if you're satisfied with this particular image, you just need to come down here and click on download, or you're going to click on this place here and click on download, and it automatically download the image for you, or download the thumbnail for you. So this is one way you can generate images on Image FX and then swap it to your consistent characters and use for your YouTube thumbnails. So today I've been able to show you how to generate free YouTube thumbnails using just your smartphone and in few minutes.
Thank you AI mates for watching my video today. Please subscribe, like and share. Bye.